Hi everyone, this is Steve at OpenBOM. In this video, I'd like to walk through an improvement that we made in the March 2019 release that will help improve the reliability of your multi-level assemblies, especially in the case when you have a mid-level subassembly, like in this example, that might be reused. In this case, we've got top-level assemblies, call a mid-level assembly, which calls a part. There was a condition that existed where you might have duplicates created of these mid-level assemblies. We've improved the algorithms and will be much more reliable, and it just won't happen going forward. So here's the example, a practical example of a quadcopter arm here, along with a mid-level subassembly and a top-level assembly. I'm going to go ahead and create a bill of material of this top-level assembly. And you can see that what will be created is exactly what we expect. TLA1 with a mid-level subassembly which contains a part. So let's take a look at that in our dashboard. And we have TLA1, subassembly 1, all good. Let's take pull up a second top-level assembly that also calls that mid-level assembly. It has two propellers in it, slightly different. Let's go ahead and create a bill of material of that. This BOM, this multi-level BOM is being created of TLA2. And as it reaches these mid-level subassemblies, OpenBOM now recognizes that that is the same subassembly that is used in other places and goes ahead and links it into this top-level assembly. So let's take a quick peek at what that looks like in our dashboard. TLA2, again, a single instance of subassembly 1. So take a look at this. If you have any trouble with duplicate mid-level assemblies, or you need any more discussion around this, you can go ahead and shoot us an email at support@openbom.com. I think the big message here is there just simply isn't anything for you to do. There's an improvement in our algorithms, and you'll notice in the performance and reliability of your BOMs going forward. Thanks.